is Arshila and welcome back to my channel. I'm very happy because I'm finally back again with a fashion video. Man, this feels so good. Anyways, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys couple of outfit inspirations that you can easily wear if you're a college student. School mein to uniform hota hai, but if you want to still wear these outfits, these will be great as these are modest, so you're not really revealing or showing any skin. So it would be perfect for all you guys who like to dress modest. And if you think that if it doesn't really match your college dress code, then you can obviously switch it up a little bit according to your college dress code. But I have still made sure that all of them are pretty covered. Maybe there are a couple of crop tops where you can easily wear like a normal top, but I have worn a crop top. So I hope that this helps you guys and you guys enjoy this video. And if you want to watch more such videos, then let me know. I would make sure to do that. And yeah, I'm really excited for you guys to watch this video. Let me know what do you think about it. And without further ado, let's just jump right in. Okay, starting off with this really easy outfit. All you need is a black t-shirt. I'm wearing slouchy jeans because they are literally the most comfiest jeans ever. Like, you don't even feel like you're wearing a jeans. It's very comfortable, almost like you're wearing pajamas. With that, I'm wearing my tan flats and this beige bag that I recently got. I think it complements. And for the accessories, I kept it very simple. So I'm just wearing like my dainty jewelry and gold watch, and that's about it. This is actually a styling tip, so if you want to like amp up your look, just add like a colorful flats. So I'm wearing yellow flats here. You can do any color that you may have, and I think it will just add a little something to your outfit and take it to maybe another level. Okay, this is such a cool outfit and probably my favorite from all the outfits that I've put together in this video. If I would have been in college, this would have been my go-to, or like in uniform. All I'm wearing are these slouchy jeans, the same ones that from earlier. With that, I'm wearing white shoes. You can literally wear any, even Converse would do. And yeah, a white tank and shirt on top of it. Now you can switch up the color of the shirt and it would just look so good. So you can do colorful shirts, you can do plaids, you can do stripes, you can do flannel, anything. And yeah, very cool outfit. With that, I'm carrying the same tan bag. Now I'm keeping the same jeans from earlier. With that, I'm wearing a cardigan top. If you don't have this, you can literally wear a tank top inside and add on a cardigan if you have it. Otherwise, you can wear a tank top and just for the jacket you can wear like a zip up hoodie or something like that. It would give out the same look. And yeah, I'm wearing flats. I'm just carrying this cotton tote bag. I think it completes the look, and yeah, it's very simple yet so stylish and so easy. For the next look, it's a classic black and white look. You can never go wrong with the black and white look. So I'm wearing this cropped polo t-shirt. If your college doesn't allow wearing cropped t-shirt, then you can wear something that takes care of that. But yeah, I mean, little bit of skin should be okay. I'm also wearing a high-waisted jeans with it, so that should take care of it. With that, I'm wearing the same shoes from earlier, and yeah, this is a very nice look. Again, something that I would have worn a lot if I would have been in college right now. Okay, so for the next look, I'm wearing a sweater vest. I just thought of like including this. This is not really my style, but it's something that I've seen a lot on Pinterest, so I just thought of adding it here. So I'm wearing like formal pants actually with this. You can even wear black jeans, that would do. And I'm wearing a sweater vest. It's pretty airy and breezy and a very nice look to wear, very comfortable. Again, I'm wearing the same shoes. If you have black Converse, that would be great. Even white Converses would do really nice. And I'm just carrying like a backpack, like a really chotu bag. I know it's not practical, but it's cute. So for the next look, we are starting off with the oversized t-shirt. I think this is something that everyone must be having. If you don't have one, just go raid your boyfriends or like brothers' wardrobe. I'm sure you'll find something. And ideally I would wear this with the biker shorts or something like that, but to make it like college appropriate and school appropriate, I have added full length leggings, and I think that looks really nice. I'm wearing the same shoes from earlier and the same bag, but this t-shirt is very cool. It says Metallica on it and it makes me feel all cool and nice. Got it from H&M by the way, and yeah, I think it looks really nice. This is literally that kind of outfit, like you tried but not really. Now again, another look that's like, you know, tried but not really, and that's literally what you're going for. I'm wearing my black jeans. Again, those are slouchy jeans, so they're pretty comfortable, and I've just tucked in the t-shirt a little bit to make it look a little less baggier and give my figure a little bit of shape. And the same shoes, same bag from earlier, and that's about it. I think again, something that I see myself wearing a lot, very comfortable. Started off with like khaki pants. If you have one, that would be great. You can even wear cargos with it. I'm wearing like a oat milk colored crop top and flats and a cotton tote bag. Again, such a cool and such a nice outfit. I think the colors complement each other really well in this outfit. This is for the days that you want to look cute, and yeah, I think it's a really nice outfit. Keeping the same pants, I have added a tank top, but to make it school appropriate, what I did, or college appropriate, what I've done here is I have added an arm warmer. Now I got this from Zara last year and I think it's not available, but I think you can get this on Myntra as well. So yeah, just look it up and I'm sure you'll find something similar. Arm warmers are really good, but overall I love this outfit. It's pretty cool. Okay, next up I wanted to add like a white jeans outfit, and green is the color of the season and green goes beautifully with white. Like I think these two colors together complement each other really well. So I wore this green t-shirt with white jeans, flats and the same tote bag from earlier, and yeah, such a nice and easy simple look, very modest as well. Definitely something that you can wear. Now this is just a styling tip. If you want to wear color, pair it up with white jeans or black jeans. That would look really nice and wouldn't look like you are wearing too many colors. Now this, oh my god, this is probably the most colorful outfit. So I wanted like an all white outfit, so I'm wearing white tank, white jeans, white flats, and I really wanted to have that pop of color, so I went for this kimono. But you can pretty much wear any kimono, or you can wear any colored jacket that you may have. I think it would look really nice. And I'm wearing my tan bag again, and yeah, I think this is a cool outfit for the days that I want to look like I have put in some effort into my outfit. Very nice. And kimonos are pretty easy breezy, perfect for Mumbai weather.
So yeah, that's that.
That is it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Again, as I said, please let me know what you think, and yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Make sure to like, share, comment, and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, as it would mean the world to me. So please go ahead and do that. And that being said, I'll see you next time. Bye.